Have you ever been frustrated by how quickly your flag or other textiles fade? In this video, I'm taking a look at a product called Flagstuff from the Norwegian brand Gloss Factory. It's based on nano enzyme technology and it's designed to restore color and shine in faded fabrics. I'll be testing it on a Norwegian flag and I think you'll be surprised by the result. This flag has been flying on the boat for quite a long time and it's definitely seen better days. To be honest, it's gotten so worn that it's almost a bit embarrassing. As you can see, it's well overdue for some attention, which makes it perfect for this demonstration. If this flag can be brought back to life, there's hope for most faded textiles on board. Flagstuff comes as a liquid spray that you apply directly to the fabric. The key is to apply it evenly and work your way across the surface in a structured way. Let the product do its job, but don't allow it to dry completely. And don't forget, you need to treat both sides of the flag. And just to be clear, this isn't only for Norwegian flags, it works on any type of flag or textile. By the way, the mountain you see in the background is the Rock of Gibraltar. Here I'm treating the other side of the flag, and you can already start to see the effect. Take a look at how the colors are slowly coming back. Honestly, I'm impressed with how well this works. Gloss Factory Flagstuff is a Norwegian product that was launched at the beginning of April. April 1st to be exact. If you're interested in trying it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this video or the topic motor sailors sailing around, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.